Welcome to a realm where data isn't just numbers. It's the gateway to innovation, discovery, and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. To understand the heart and soul of a data scientist world, let's review what data scientists do, as discussed in the readings and videos from this lesson. Data scientists investigate and find explanations for many problems. For example, Dr. Mortaza Haider found an explanation for why 500,000 customers complained about public transit in Toronto. After much investigation, he found a relationship between unexpected bad weather events and the number of complaints on that particular day. Data scientists may tackle environmental challenges, such as predicting algae blooms to prevent water toxicity. By harnessing data and the prowess of artificial neural networks, data scientists can help water treatment companies safeguard the ecosystem. Norman White, a clinical faculty member at the Stern School of Business, also discussed the journey that led him to build a recommendation engine that simplified intricate problems across departments. This underscores the essence of data science, solving real-world issues with innovative solutions. Education serves as a cornerstone, equipping future data scientists with essential skills. Dr. White's classroom comes alive with Python notebooks, revealing the secrets of Unix, Linux, relational databases, and powerful tools like pandas. Dr. Vincent Granville, an author on data science, lists algebra, calculus, and training in probability and statistics as necessary educational backgrounds to be a data scientist. He distinguishes between a statistician and a data scientist. A data scientist uses statistics, but is not only a statistician. However, data scientists do use a lot of statistical models, such as statistical regression. Regression shows the probable relationship between two variables, such as the distance you drive and the amount of gas you use. Data scientists also utilize machine learning algorithms such as nearest neighbor to process what much of the media refers to as big data. The term should be used with caution. What was once considered big data is continually reshaped by innovation. Tools like Hadoop and software advancements have shattered traditional limits, ushering in a new era of possibilities. Neither does Dr. Patil restrict data scientists to dealing with data sets of arbitrary size, nor does he restrict them to using particular tools. His definition includes individuals of various academic backgrounds and training. A data scientist not only unlocks the insights within a data set, but conveys a compelling narrative to stakeholders. It's this blend of technical acumen and communication finesse that sets them apart. The data that data scientists use comes from a wide variety of sources, sometimes video, sometimes audio, and often unformatted text. Text-based data can also be structured, such as in tables with rows and columns, or unstructured, like emails or logs. The data they work with comes in a wide variety of formats, such as delimited text files, spreadsheets, XML, PDFs, and JavaScript object notation, or JSON. What makes a data scientist truly exceptional? The answer, according to Rachel Schutt, chief data scientist at News Corp, lies in curiosity. A successful data scientist is a blend of computer scientist, software engineer, and statistician. Their ability to transform unstructured solutions into structured insights defines their prowess. As we reflect on the insights from A Day in the Life of a Data Scientist, we realize that data science isn't just a profession. It's a journey of exploration, innovation, and storytelling. The world of data is vast, and the data scientist, armed with skills, curiosity, and determination, navigates it to unravel the extraordinary.